Ever wondered what makes Miami Beach a year-round paradise? Today, we're going to delve into the captivating climate of this coastal city. Imagine yourself basking in the warm sun, cooled by a gentle breeze, the ocean waves lapping nearby. But what's the secret behind Miami Beach's alluring weather? How do the highs and lows, the ocean temperatures, and that notorious summer humidity all play a part? And let's not forget, the looming threat of hurricanes. Stay tuned to unveil the mystery of Miami's fascinating weather. Let's travel through time and explore Miami's weather, month by month. January greets us with a cool breeze as temperatures range between the mid-50s and the low 70s, providing a respite from the usual heat. As we journey into February, we find a slight increase, with temperatures often reaching the mid-70s during the day, while evenings may dip into the high 50s. March and April bring a gradual warming trend as the city begins to embrace spring. Daytime highs climb into the upper 70s and lower 80s, while nights remain comfortably in the 60s. The arrival of May signals the onset of summer, with daily highs crossing into the upper 80s, and evening temperatures rarely falling below the mid-70s. Entering the heart of summer, June, July, and August are marked by sweltering heat, with temperatures often soaring above 90 degrees during the day. Evenings provide little relief, with temperatures lingering in the mid to upper 70s. The sun's powerful rays, coupled with Miami's geographical location and the warm Gulf Stream current, contribute to these high temperatures. As we transition into autumn, September and October bring a slight dip in temperatures, though the days remain hot, often in the mid to upper 80s. Nights start to cool down, with temperatures slipping into the lower 70s. November ushers in the beginning of the cooler season, with daytime highs in the upper 70s and nighttime lows in the mid-60s. By the time December rolls around, Miami Beach experiences a return to the cooler, more comfortable weather patterns of the early year, with temperatures ranging between the mid-60s and lower 70s. Throughout the year, the weather in Miami Beach ebbs and flows, influenced by factors such as the sun's position, ocean currents, and seasonal changes. These fluctuations create a climate that's as dynamic and vibrant as the city itself, offering a variety of weather experiences from the cool and pleasant winter months to the hot and humid summer season. Clearly, Miami Beach's weather has a story of its own, unfolding month by month. But what about the ocean surf temperature and that famous Florida humidity? Well, the ocean surf temperature plays a significant role in shaping Miami's climate. Throughout the year, the ocean surf temperature around Miami Beach fluctuates between a balmy 70 degrees in the chillier months to a warm 85 degrees during the summer. This warm water acts like a thermal blanket, regulating the air temperature and preventing it from fluctuating too wildly. Now, the other half of the story is the quintessential Florida humidity, which reaches its peak during those lazy summer afternoons. Imagine stepping outside and being enveloped in a warm, moist blanket. That's Miami in the summer for you. This high humidity is due to the abundance of water in the area, including the ocean, the Everglades, and numerous other bodies of water. The combination of the warm surf and high humidity contributes to the overall tropical monsoon climate of Miami Beach. It's this unique climate that supports the area's lush vegetation and diverse wildlife, while also driving the occasional afternoon thunderstorm. The humidity also makes the heat feel more intense. On a 90-degree day, the high humidity can make it feel like it's over 100 degrees. So while the thermometer might tell you one thing, the sweat on your brow tells another story. So it's not just the sun and sand, but also the surf temperature and humidity that make Miami Beach what it is. Now let's delve into the extremes of Miami Beach's weather. The sunny city of Miami Beach often sees days where the mercury rises above 90 degrees. These sweltering days are particularly prevalent during the summer months, from June through September. The intense heat can be a challenge, but it's also a key part of the Miami Beach experience. It's what fuels the vibrant beach culture, with locals and tourists alike flocking to the ocean for a refreshing dip or a surf session. However, it also necessitates a smart approach to outdoor activities with plenty of hydration and sun protection. On the flip side, there are those evenings when the temperature dips below 65 degrees. These are more frequent during the winter months, from December through February. It's a time when the city takes on a different vibe. The cool evenings are perfect for strolling down the Art Deco historic district or enjoying an al fresco dinner at one of the city's world-class restaurants. Yet, it also means you might need to pack a light jacket for your evening plans. These temperature extremes, both high and low, shape the rhythms of life in Miami Beach. They dictate the wardrobe, the activities, and even the pace of the city. But they also contribute to its allure, creating a place that's as diverse in its weather as it is in its culture. Indeed, Miami Beach is a place of contrasts where weather extremes add to its unique charm. But what about the looming threat of hurricanes? Now let's shift our focus to a more serious topic. Miami Beach, with its tropical monsoon climate, is no stranger to the threat of hurricanes. This menacing phenomenon is a significant factor that defines the city's climate and lifestyle. Every year, from June to November, Miami Beach enters what's known as the Atlantic hurricane season. During this period, the city's residents remain on high alert, monitoring weather forecasts, and preparing for potential storms. The statistics paint a vivid picture. On average, Miami Beach experiences direct hits from hurricanes every 7 years. This might seem infrequent, but when a hurricane does make landfall, the effects can be devastating. Hurricanes bring with them not just high-speed winds, but also torrential rainfall and storm surges that can cause significant flooding. Yet it's crucial to remember that these statistics don't tell the full story. Even years without direct hits can see peripheral effects from nearby storms. This can include heavy rains and strong winds, leading to localized flooding and occasional power outages. These challenges have shaped the resilient spirit of Miami Beach's residents. They've learned to adapt, building homes designed to withstand high winds and creating efficient evacuation plans. So despite its idyllic weather, Miami Beach does have its own share of weather challenges. But isn't that what makes it all the more intriguing?